Alrighty, I have my Yuminashi loot haul right here. I've already been through the box once just to see what I was getting. Handy pair of gloves, which is the exciting part. Now these are two prototype parts that have never been built before. We have our high compression piston, which the stock piston weighs 60 grams. I've already weighed this one. It's 66 grams, understandable. Whereas the stock piston, I'll put up a side-by-side photo, but it was dished on the top, and this one is, what you can see there, clearly stacked. Now, I ordered a set of OEM rings and a pin, but that's all been supplied as part of this kit. Now, I'm not going to open this box of rings until I need to use it. But I am not going to bother not really checking the ring gaps, because I'm going to trust that it's all been engineered really well. I mean, that looks beautiful. But the first thing we're doing with this bike is we are replacing the stock throttle body with this custom built aftermarket one. It does look particularly different to the stock one. I may even have to modify that plate. I don't know if that plate's going to be sitting in the right position, but I won't make any calls on that until I get it out on the bike. This is just my eyeballing it. So of course this has come with all of the gaskets that you need. And what we'll be doing when I do get out there is taking all the sensor units off the stock throttle body and putting them on here. It's a fancy new throttle body cover, which sits like so. I'm very excited about this because the stock throttle body is 24 millimeters. Now this is a Yuminashi special. This doesn't come with this kit. This was provided just to help me do this. We are going to widen the bore on the manifold, and they have provided me with these flappy discs to help me get that job done, which I'm going to say it again, that's a bonus. Okay, we are going to match it perfectly. So obviously we're going to start small, obviously not in here in the manifold, but we are going to route the whole thing out and make sure we get the best airflow that we can get. Now, I've almost dropped a couple of these little gaskets, so I'm just gonna place them here. These buggers will run away from you. And to tie it all together, the other bonus that Yuminashi have sent me is this 140cc 8 holes injector. Now I've already upgraded the stock injector on my bike with a Yuminashi 6 hole 120cc injector. But because we're doing such a massive increase to the throttle body, this is just going to help get that extra squirt of fuel in there so the bike's not running super lean, which it already is. So adding extra air without adding extra fuel into the mix probably wasn't going to be a good idea. So yeah, even though I already have the 120cc, we're upgrading that to a 140cc. Alrighty, so that was exciting. All that's left for me to do now is to start pulling things off the bike, and well, let's see how we go.